There's only one Knievels dog.
Right, body there, good morning. Croeshaw Right Cymru 2019. Cymru Knievels, being evil for a good cause. 1,070 mile perimeter of Wales. First of all, I just want to say a big thank you to everybody for turning up. Big thank you to everybody for all your sponsorship, your fundraising. It's been absolutely epic this year.
So as usual, I'm not going to do as I'm told. I'd like to thank you all for coming. It's the first event in my 12 months that I've got everybody's name right. So thank you to Evil Knievel for coming today. So have a good, safe journey, and thank you for coming and starting and finishing at Wrexham, and I hope everything goes well for you all. Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks very much, Anne.